The Toyota Camry has always been a symbol of reliability and efficiency. In 2025, Toyota takes the Camry to new heights while staying true to its legacy. Today, we're breaking down the new Camry, comparing it to the outgoing generation, going over all the main components, and giving you real pricing info so you know exactly what you're getting. Let's get into it. Design and platform. A030, the 2025 Camry now rides exclusively on the TNGA-K platform, just like the previous gen, but with updated tuning for better ride comfort and reduced cabin noise. The exterior design has been refined: a slimmer headlights, a cleaner front fascia, and a slightly more coupe-like silhouette. The baseline model gets 16-inch alloys, while the top XSE trim rocks 19-inch gloss black wheels. It's subtle but modern. Compared to the old gen, this one looks sportier, more upscale, and more aerodynamic. Powertrain. A110, here's the big shift: every 2025 Camry is now a hybrid. No more gas-only engines. The new Camry uses Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system paired with a 2.5 litres inline-4 engine. It produces a combined 225 horsepower in FWD and 232 horsepower in AWD trims. That's a slight bump over the old hybrid, with better efficiency too. You're looking at around 51 miles per gallon city and 53 miles per gallon highway for the base trims. The outgoing generation offered a V6 option with 301 horsepower, a great performance, but it's gone now in favor of fuel economy and emissions compliance. Interior and tech. 2 o'clock, the cabin is where things get premium. You now get an 8-inch touchscreen on lower trims, with a massive 12.3-inch digital display and optional heads-up display on higher ones. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard across the lineup. Toyota also included their new voice assistant, which can control everything from climate to navigation. Compared to the previous gen, everything looks cleaner and more digital. The materials are improved: soft touch panels, available leather with contrasting stitching, and ambient lighting on XLE and XSE trims. Safety. A245, Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 is standard. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The previous Camry had Safety Sense 2.5, but this one adds better object detection, improved lane tracing, and emergency stop assist. The Camry remains one of the safest sedans in the segment. Suspension and ride quality. A320, the ride is smoother thanks to revised suspension geometry and new dampers. SE and XSE models feature sport-tuned suspension for a firmer, more responsive feel. Compared to the previous generation, there's less body roll, more precise steering, and a quieter cabin. It's not a sports car, but it handles confidently. Trim levels and pricing. A355, here's a quick rundown of trims and prices, approximate MSRP. $28,400. A basic features: cloth seats, 8-screen. Say, $30,000. It adds sport suspension, leatherette trim, paddle shifters. XLE, $33,500. A leather seats, ambient lighting, 12.3 screen optional. XSE, $34,950. A sportier styling, bigger wheels, top-end tech. AWD is available on all trims except LA for around $1,500 more. These prices are competitive, considering hybrid power is now standard across the lineup. Main component costs $445. Here's a breakdown of main components and their estimated replacement costs. Hybrid battery, 8-year/100 km warranty, $3,000, $4,000 if out of warranty. Infotainment display, $1,200, $1,800. Front LED headlight unit, $600, $1,000 each. Brake pads and rotors, full set, $500, $700. Windshield, $400, $700, depending on sensors. Hybrid transaxle, $4,000 plus parts and labor. Engine, 2.5 liters i4 hybrid, $6,000, $8,000 new. These numbers are averages and can vary by location or dealer. Wrap up A530. So, the 2025 Camry is more efficient, tech-savvy, and comfortable than ever before. It drops the V6 and goes all in on hybrid, which might disappoint performance fans but is a smart move for the future. If you're looking for a mid-size sedan that blends value, safety, and reliability, the new Camry is hard to beat. Let us know in the comments, are you team hybrid or do you miss the V6?